Engineering Madness!
Okay.
With us.
Oh, it looks like that's about to burst. Okay, everything's fine so far.
Yeah.
Now we have
Hope
this.
they didn't break the thread.
That other tractor is gigantic. It's like the size of a city.
Yeah. And this is the
That's a
normal
real-
side. Yeah.
Ooh.
What is this?
Whoa.
Oh, whoa! Get out of there!
What were those plugs in there? That was weird.
I guess it's a special thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
For
Ooh.
Wow.
Cool.
nice.
Very
Wow.
nice. Okay. Wow. I want that, even though I don't have the space for that.
Okay, it's okay, I guess, yeah.
Stack up your
Smart.
pipes. All right.
Smart solutions.
Nothing wrong with putting your pipes together. Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Mm-hmm. I'm acting
You
like I
know?
know. No, I
Yeah.
don't know.
I mean, a bit extend the.
To push
metal,
balls.
yeah.
Yes.
By pushing the balls.
Yeah, it's important to push balls every once in a while.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
That's nice.
That's pretty
Wow.
cool. Well, I kind of want to eat it. It looks like it looks like a gummy bear, like a forbidden gummy bear.
Wouldn't recommend it.
What?
No. I think you'll.
Oh. Okay. Very
so
smart.
the problem solved.
Yep.
That's-
Ooh. Wow.
Wow,
That
this
is
cutter.
crazy.
Yeah. It
Ooh.
was crazy. It's a wire itself.
This is a whole video full of oohs. Wow. Ooh. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, nice. Isolation.
Insulation. Yeah.
Installation.
Insulation. Yeah. We got there.
Important.
Okay, nice. Now we have the perfect size. Ooh, that looks really scary.
You know, I'm always scared of the way. I mean,
Oh my gosh, she's just picking it up like that. That's
dang, and he hasn't.
yeah, no harness, no nothing.
No.
Wow.
Interesting way.
The really interesting. It looks fun though. Kind
Yeah.
of, and also really dangerous.
I always curious how they came up to this idea. You know,
Yeah.
they're like both on the lunch.
Literally no idea.
What if we'll do this?
What if we made a giant yo-yo? Have you ever yo-yoed before?
And-
Wow.
And everybody agreed to try it.
Everybody was down. They were like,
Yeah.
yeah, sure, why not? Looks like fun. I would be down. Maybe. I'd be there. You know, I'd be in a corner somewhere. Ah.
Okay.
Oh, that's how they make them.
What then?
Never mind.
Then.
Thinking about something else. All right, so now we're taking apart an old train track, or we're making a new one.
And here we go.
Looks pretty cool.
easy
Looks pretty
peasy.
clean.
Oh, it's some Japanese technique, right? About the pots.
Ah, they do it with tea.
No way!
Oh,
No.
that I want to see. I want to test that.
Yeah.
That looks like
but no.
BS.
So wow, they
That's really, really crazy. At least they have harnesses.
not all of them.
Yeah.
It looks for me.
That guy was still in there. Is he just gonna stay in there? Is that where he lives now?
Okay. Wow,
Ooh.
that was nice. I mean, is it a chair?
It looks like a chair.
Yeah. Wow.
This is where those really uncomfortable school chairs came from that gave you long-term back issues.
Oh, it's.
I've seen that happen in real life one time. It's so
Right?
cool.
Wow.
I was taking a walk in the park and I saw one of them and I was like, oh my gosh, it's happening. I saw you before on the internet.
You're supposed to film it,
Yeah, I should have.
and your reaction
It was before.
right on time.
That was before I was an influencer.
Okay. So okay, wow.
Ah,
It's very hot thing, right?
yeah,
It's-
extremely.
Oh, and now.
Wow, 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 wow.
So what is this for?
It looks like the structure for a new bridge or something.
Oh, they will put the concrete there or something,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Right?
This is crazy. Also, for some reason, that looks spicy, and I'm craving something spicy right now, so I'd eat the log.
Interesting tree. Oh,
That's how they put that down.
yeah. I thought they doing this more accurate.
This is better than what that. Have you seen the video of the girl who does the corn and she chips her teeth?
Yeah, and our girl who put her hair.
It's the worst thing ever.
It's If you saw this video, let us know.
Everyone's seen that video. You've seen it, right? Put a gif of it down below. Thank you.
Maybe he didn't. You did? You really?
Did you see it?
I have doubts about it.
Jeremy?
Oh, yeah. Wait a second. It's just. It was a nice car.
It was a nice car. They didn't have to do that. Looks like he's like. Ching. That's like a villain in a cartoon, like just waiting at the top of the thing right as they come.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Okay.
Yes.
This is the crusher.
The cutter.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what Butch tested.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, you need to see it.
Ooh, wow. Ah.
You know, it's a very expensive thing. I mean, in a plane.
Really?
Yes, it costs. I mean, it's really expensive. Around $100,000.
Just for the inflatable?
Yeah. I mean,
whoa.
because they are not put it back as I know.
Yeah,
Let me know if I'm wrong, but
okay.
it's very,
I didn't know that. Did you know? What other plane facts do you know? What are you hiding from us?
Let us know. So, is there a person?
There is a person.
How come?
I don't know. That's terrifying.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, so boom, nice. Just in case when you don't get bathroom breaks at the job, I think that's Amazon, right? They don't get bathroom breaks. That's what the workers got to do.
So it's just a metal cutting.
Oh my gosh, no.
No. Wow. It would break my day.
Yeah, that would ruin my day as well. Who's up there?
Oh, I don't know. I think it's just because of, age. Or that job was done by the...
Or like water leakage or something left, made the roof weak.
Maybe. Okay.
Ah. Wow, that's a huge drill.
Is it?
It looks like a big ass drill. That's intense. Ooh.
Oh.
Laser.
It's laser rust remover, I would say.
We have to get one of those. That'd be amazing.
That would be amazing. I want to test it, but we need to find the person who has it because it's very expensive. I mean, expensive enough. Wow, how perfectly he doing this.
Pretty impressive. That's years of experience.
Yeah.
Ooh.
What is this? It's
Chainmaker? I guess that's how they make them.
I don't know. Oh.
Oh wow. That's like old school. That's like
it's a true
Roman Empire style engineering.
Yeah. Whoa. What was? Is he?
I think he's okay. I hope he's okay. Whoa. They struck oil.
Wait a second. What a...
Watch out, America's coming.
That's
to bend it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay, what are we doing here?
How to remove the oil filter
without touching it.
Yeah, without touching it.
It's good.
So yeah. I mean, is what planned the way of destroying this thing, or it was?
I think it would be planned. Yeah, I think it has to be planned with all the workers around it and stuff. Wow, these are really cool sliding doors. What are we doing here? Okay, interesting. This is like Transformers. Okay. Whoa.
Oh,
that's cool.
Wow.
And scary. Like that's all it takes is the wrong direction and then your train's gone.
Something goes wrong.
Wow, that's cool. I really want to try that actually. From like a really high floor, just make like a whole slide going down, and I would go down it.
No, it could be dangerous.
Okay.
We'll not let you do
Fine.
it.
Fine.
No, we just worry about you.
Okay.
Come on, Flynn.
Okay, ooh, we have some fruit that are getting sorted out.
By the signs, right?
Yes. The ones that are too big can't go down. They're not invited to the party. Whoa.
Okay. That's
What?
actually destroying the metal.
Yeah, right? Like, what was the point of
Yeah.
that? Ooh,
Oh, here's the... Yeah,
nice way to redo your car. Fill it with bricks. Okay.
not bad.
Give us more.
More actions.
Can you do it like right now, though?
Yes.
Can you also leave us a comment if it's, not too much to ask? Just saying that Flint is the best character in Archie 5. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
Trust me, bro.
And whole blood goes right into
Yeah,
his
literally,
veins.
yeah.
It's kind of... Oh, wow. Whoa.
Whoa.
Don't put your fingers
Yeah,
there.
don't put your anything in there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's like
That's
a killing
terrifying.
machine, yeah. Okay, oh, wow.
Ooh.
This looks very heavy and...
Oh, boom! Clean
Nice.
as Mr. Clean.
Nice.
Ooh, this one's cool. I love this. Whoa. Whoa.
Wow.
That looks dangerous though, because that thing's heavy and they're just like, and the weight's constantly shifting, so you constantly have to be thinking about how like your body's being pulled.
Yeah. So,
Why?
I don't know.
Someone,
Look at this.
I wanna
We
see
have
someone
the
karate
perfect
kick it.
wood. It's just okay. It looks like some commercial,
Oh, yeah.
Our wood, the best of the wood.
Look at my wood. It's
Look
the
at
perfect wood.
yes. Oh, whoa. Buy me dinner first.
Yeah. How she blows.
Wait, what?